Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add anchor links or jump links to your WordPress article using code. So you can do this without a plugin. So let's get down to it. So this is something I prepared before. I'm just going to cancel that out. I have an article a generic article that I wrote to ChatGPT to show you how this is done. So I'm just going to copy the article so that we can have the content to use. So let's just format this article real quick. So there are two ways to do this. You can either decide to edit this first, or you can come down to your main content here, the heading here, and edit it. So but let's start from the top. So I'm just going to insert link here, and I'm going to give it an hash TOC. So TOC meaning table of content. So let's just give it 1. So, but usually what most people do here is they take something from the heading here and use it um as the ID. You understand? But for to make it easier, so I'm just going to name this TOC1 and name this TOC2. I'm going to name this TOC3. So I'm just going to name this TOC4. TOC5. So the next thing we want to do here is let's just format this the right way. So I'm just going to give it an H2 heading. So let's give it this. So you want to come down to the text here so that you can get the code. So you want to come down to H2 here, your header 2 tag. So you want to impute ID equals to the first code, the first hash was TOC1. So I'm just going to copy this. So if we come down to the second heading here, so I'm just going to give this. So not to waste your time, let's stop this here. So I'm just going to name this TLC4, and I'm going to come back here. So I have a table of contents plugin that I use on the website. So I'm just going to disable it here so that it won't interfere with what I've just done. So let's preview this. Okay, so we have the article loaded up here. So if we click on this, you can see it jumps to that header here. So if we click on, you can see it jumps to the correct heading. This last one that we didn't do, you can see it doesn't move at all. So this is how you can add anchor link or jump links to your table of contents easily on your WordPress article without the need for plugin. And as you can see, the code is very minimal and just anybody can do this. So if you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.